in your career, you have also explored DevOps, right? Cloud and the AI part. So, what inspired you to move, I mean, into DevOps or cloud AI? Because you have already shifted career from technical writer to functional tester, then automation, right? And now again, you have explored some different domains. So, what could be the reasons? I mean, who inspired or what is your inspiration on that shift?
Okay. So I worked on Sony PlayStation for 8 years.
Nice.
Okay. So I learned a lot from the people around me,
Mm-hmm.
right? And I worked with a manager called Murugesan.
Okay.
Okay. So I worked with him for 8 long years. Okay. So he is someone who worked on my belief system
Mm-hmm.
and the thought process.
Okay.
Okay, so he worked on to an extent that okay, how I think
Okay.
QA engineering is different,
Mm-hmm.
and how to solve a problem and how to write beyond automation. And it's all about thinking. It's all about adding a value. It's all about adding, do beyond what you have asked to do, right? So, and last thing, learning ability. So you need to work on your learning ability and you have to work on consistently. Yeah, I just wanted to add. So for in Sony, we had a huge Jenkins pipeline. It's a very, very big Jenkins pipeline with shared library, deployment pipeline, and yeah, testing the infrastructure. The infrastructure they had was to test the test that you write.
Okay.
Okay, so which is very, very challenging to, to understand the overall workflow. And it is all, there are multiple countries involved, multiple geographical location, the devices are there. So it's a very, very complex system. Okay, so that's where I was very curious because it's not easy to understand.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you work on any team, you cannot understand everything. That's true, right? So when you are not exposed to something, but you are supposed to manage something or you are supposed to do something, right? So when you try to solve a problem, obviously you look for, okay, what is beyond given to me? Why I'm inheriting this code? Okay, so why I'm by using a Jenkins file and I am inheriting some code from a different shared library which is not exposed to me, right? So when I want to understand these, small details of that I do, I write code in Groovy. That's where my curiosity, made me to look into YouTube videos, attended physical classes, take online classes like, Upgrad, Triple IT, LGMU, all these places. I tried to learn all like, anything that will help me to understand how to build a end-to-end QA solution for a large scale product.
Mm-hmm.
So, so overall, it's all about understanding a QA infra,
Mm-hmm.
understanding how quality will add value to a large scale product like PlayStation. That was the main motivation behind my journey.